My doctor told me that I was microscopically losing blood. My name is Suzanne Mondesi, and I am originally from Delaware, and I currently live in Virginia, and I work in the human services field. Before a lot of probing and things like that took place, I decided to look into a more natural approach to find out exactly what was going on with me. My experience at Wildwood has been one on a positive note. It's been really good here. I wasn't so used to the structure, but there's plenty of structure here, but there's also times of leisure, if you want to call it that, where you can get some things in that you would like to do, extra studying, whatever the case may be. But my experience at Wildwood has been a pretty good one so far. Part of being in the medical program, you have an opportunity also to take part in the life alignment, which I found to be so beneficial. Prior to my coming to Wildwood, I lost my mother in January of 2018, and those classes through life alignment alone has helped me so much in processing and knowing how to properly grieve, and just to share with other individuals here that may have gone through something similar. And I'm here for 25 days in the 25-day program. I'm halfway through and I'm feeling great. I have a different perspective, and I'm looking forward to the next half of the program. I would definitely recommend Wildwood. You come, you actually working off of a schedule, you get a lot of great fresh air. A vegan diet. I was already a vegetarian, so the vegan diet was no big deal for me. However, some of the good folks that I've met here are actually licking their plates at the end of mealtime because the food's pretty good here. So.